Hello and welcome back everyone to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a transaction that you have added onto your EveryDollar account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the EveryDollar app on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end up within your homepage dashboard. Now, in order to delete any transaction that you have made, tap on the transactions button at the bottom and you will see all of your transactions. In order to delete any transaction, just tap on it and you will find the delete transaction option at the bottom. Go ahead and tap on this button once again and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to proceed. Once again, confirm your decision by tapping on delete. And now this transaction has successfully been deleted within your EveryDollar app. If you tap on the deleted section, you will be able to find this transaction. You can restore the transaction if you wish, or you can just leave it in the deleted section. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete any transaction that you have made on the EveryDollar app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also, ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.